Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video is going to be a garden tour. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start off with the original chili tree that I have over here. Okay, here's one chili growing. So this has been growing now this is the third year. But I think after winter I'm going to remove this because they're not producing as much chilies as they used to. And then next up we got here is 3 leeks growing, and then 1 tomato tree. And then over here is what the sweet corn supposed to be, so it all died. Then next up, this is the Swiss jar that was what went to seed. You can see over here, cut it there, and then it just regrew all these leaves. Yes guys, stay tuned for the end of the video because I'm going to show the update of the herb garden. And then over here is the bell peppers, and then that herbs is gonna go here, some of it. And then over here we got a chili tree. I think I'm just gonna harvest these chilies now and then carry on with the rest of the garden. Okay, so I took most of it off and the rest is a bit smaller, so I'm going to leave that ones on. So let's go on to the next. Okay, then next up here is the carrots. Show you. Okay, so there's still seedlings over here of the carrots. And then here's some of the carrots growing. And over here you can see more of the carrots. Then here we got is the beetroot. I'm not sure what is the name. I'll put it on the screen over here because I forgot the name of it. And then we have peas growing with it. So there's one and there's one here. I'm gonna need to make the trellis a bit higher. And then here's another beetroot over here. And then in those two I have onions seedlings in. Then over here is more onions. This was an onion I grew and then I just replanted it. And there's the other one. Then this is the Bishop Crown chilies. And this produces a lot of chilies. But I'm just going to wait till I get a bit red, then I'll harvest it. And over here we got my sage. Next to it is the basil. Down here is parsley, the flat leaf and the curled leaf. This is the flat leaves and this is the curled leaves. Then I have more onions here. This is the ones that is from I cut the onion and I just planted in the soil and it regrew. Then over here we got the California bell peppers growing. See over here. down here we got turnips. They're not yet bulging up yet, they're just the leaves. Then a tomato tree over here, which the leaves don't look so good, but the new one is coming in, so in a week or so I will cut the older leaves out. In a week or so I'll cut the older leaves out, so then this ones will regrow bigger, and there is a tomato one here. And then this is the Swiss chard as well, what I have now about 3 years, going for 3 years. And then I just threw more onions in here, just because I have space, open space, so I just put tomato cuttings anyway. And then in here I threw some broccoli seeds. See, only one came so far out. And then over here is more curd leaf parsley. And then I have more chilies over here. This is a cherry bomb. I know the tree is looking really bad. That is coming to winter, so most of the leaves of the chili trees will be falling off. Then over here got wild garlic growing, and a succulent, and more onions, and the granadilla tree. Then in here just have some mixed flowers coming in, and next to that got some mint, and then over here is the cayenne pepper. See, so one over here, and I did harvest a few of it already, so yeah, I just need to leave this here, but this plant is dying out because of winter, and it'll come back next season. Okay, so let's go to the back and I'll show you how the herbs are doing. Okay, so here's the update on the herbs. Before we get started, there's another onion I grew in this bag. This was a whole onion I put in here just to see how it's doing, and it's doing quite well. But maybe in the next few weeks or so I need to transplant it so that it can do much better. And then over here, this is the pink celery what's growing over here. And then this was the Korean mint. It's not doing well. This is weeds. This is not the mint is growing. And then over here is the basil. It's coming nicely along. Then the dill. Just want to show you guys it in here because it's later on I'm going to transplant this over. And then here's fennel. Only one came out so far. And then over here is the rocket. One need to be transplanted as well. And then over here is all the parsleys. This is the moss curled ones. And over here is the champion moss curled ones. And then this is just the plain ones, and only 2 so long came out. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and sharing my video. Thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.